What the flip? Is this the best budget keyboard? WhatGeek sent me their Feker Galaxy 80 keyboard, and I was really impressed by how nice it was. But what makes the keyboard good? It's a gasket-mounted fully aluminum penkeyless keyboard, making it nice and thick on my desk. The color of the board is absolutely beautiful. And check out the subtle RGB and this cute badge. Best of all, it's only $69.99? That's a steal. I also added the Echo V3 Cream Blue Pro Tactile switches to make the keyboard sound nice and creamy. I'll leave the links in my bio, but first check out how it sounds.